Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. So we have another listing, guys. This is 4,000 square meters or 4,010 square meters located in Barangay Buangan, Clarin, Bohol. Din yung Buangan nga kakpaiting nga kanang Buangan nga barangay. So it's a Barangay Buangan, Clarin, Bohol. So actually, this property is a resale property. Gibaligya ni pag-usab sa owner, no? They bought this property and sell. So, ana buy and sell. So, mo ni sistema. In the entrance is a flat terrain. So, again, the size is 4,010 square meters. Tax declaration, dili pa siya titulado. And it's a clean tax deck, limpyo nga tax declaration, guys, kay syempre alam mo gina, no, napalit yun ni sa akong kliyente sa una. Now they are selling at 1 million pesos. So nindot maning nga property, honestly, kay it's a good property because, for example, the flat terrain portion where the native house is located, and there is also like this one, no, the sloping one, you can put your livestock, no, pananglitan, manukan, chicken farm, or piggery, backyard piggery. So diri, guys, kanang mga chicken, mga for example mga 1,000 kumbatira na diri, 1,000 chicken or piggery, mga 20, okay ra sad kayo, dili kay halata. It's not kuan yun kanang makuan sa mga tao, kay because it's sloping tama sa ubos. Mao na naka-advantage sa nga property. Then location is very quiet, mingaw kayo, dili kay daghang balay, not so many neighborhood, although there is a neighbor beside, no, there is a house, and there's so many houses, mga around 100 to 200 meters away from the property. So you can design your plans in this area. Very affordable. It's 1 million pesos fixed price. So fixed price na. So mamani ato ang property na baligya. Long time ago na pod, no. So ilang gi baligya pag-usab, kay the reason was they have already found another home near to the sea and beach. Mao nang ibaligya nila. Mao ni sitwasyon, guys, no. So dire patag na, okay, you can build your residential house in this portion, no. The argument was they have already put a perimeter fence. So mao na nga ang presyo sakto-sakto sad. Then pag-process ani sa titling, guys, direct ra ni sa DNR. So i-DNR ra ni, at a very minimal, gamay ra gi gasto. I have experienced one of my property in the other side of Clarin, katong akong kuan, usa ka property napo dinhi sa Clarin. Ani gasto ra gyud ko og 5,000 dalas pahalipay sa kuan, 5,000 pesos sa dala na lang pahalipay sa kanang nag-process, no. Ang nakanindot, guys, we can process directly to the assessor's office, kay si assessor man gud diri sa Clarin is an accredited kuan kanang processor sa DNR. So i-credit siya, guys, nga ato na lang ka, di na ka maghagog adto DNR, dara ka tanan nimong requirements sa deed of sale, then unsa pa na diha, then ID, approve survey, gipa-approvean to nga ako, pero no need approve survey na, basta kuan. So mao na naka-advantage, guys, no. So these are the neighborhood, no. Then water, there is a line of water connection in the area, no. Then electricity also, there is an electricity. So basta kanang nasulod sa kanang native house, kini nga native house ra gyud guys. Mao gyud nay atong for sale with perimeter fence. So mao na naka-advantage no. There are banana trees and coconut trees, pero kining coconut trees guys, imo na lang gining putlon kay wala naman na tag-as na kayo. So mao na siya guys. So nindot man para nako. Approximately 3 kilometers from National Highway niya. Maayo concrete road man kini ray rough road diri dapita, but mostly are concrete road. Ang concrete road na anas mga 200 meters away from the property. So this is the advantage gyud kayo, advantageous gyud kayo mo palitan ng property. So wala na, gamay lang kay pununon nga kuan kanang perimeter fence. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So nindot ra gyud ang location guys, kay bugnaw diri dapita kay dahag kahoy ba. It's really cool because of the trees around, no? So mo na nakanindot sa property. Mingaw, quiet. It's really good for retirement. Don't worry regarding the papers of tax declaration. We can help you. The assessor will help you also. Okay? Thank you very much and God bless to all. And please subscribe our YouTube channel.